everyone. My name is Priyank, and today I'll be talking about my animal conservation website. Firstly, I'll be talking about the purpose of this website. The purpose of this website is to increase awareness about wildlife and the impact of humans in destroying it. We have done a lot of damage on the environment, but there's still an opportunity to do the best with what we have. We should care for for wildlife. We should donate to conservation efforts and make the earth a much better place to live. So there are two sections in this website. Firstly, the animal profiles, which shows some of the animals in Singapore Zoo. It shows the species, some quick facts, the status, which part of Singapore Zoo it is found in, and more information about it. There's also a quiz, where if we get the correct answer, it'll be written that you got the correct answer. However, if you got the wrong answer, it'll also be written there. Now let's go into a code. So in the profile, we use the dictionary that you have from app.py with all the information, and we use the key to separate the information and put it in boxes, which makes it look very nice. And then in the game, in the quiz, there's the input, and then there's a quiz index, which creates a new page every time you go to the next question. It posts all the data to app.py, which will give you the score and whether the answer is correct or incorrect. So what inspired me to create this? So in a rapidly urbanizing society, lots of forests are being cut to build houses, roads, and airports. In addition, certain parts of the world, hunting is still prevalent, endangering wild animals. I have been to Singapore Zoo many times, and I like how animals are kept in a nature-like habitat. This inspired me to increase awareness about wild animals to increase their conservation. Thank you.